Whoa! I hit a stump on the ground. How you going? Just out at the local, just a little play, test a new bike out. No longer have 304 stroke, and this is my 2019 Sherco 500, and yeah, she loves the boogie. Like, it's got some power, bite you if you're not careful. Very sensitive throttle. It's running 1452 gearing, so it's a bit shorter than factory. I think factory's 48. Probably go back to a 48 on this. It doesn't need any bottom end power. It's got shit tons of that. And got Cam out the back. He's behind me. He's on my 23 Sherco 300. His bike's playing up. Thought we'd take this out for a bit of a shakedown run. Trying to find the bloody single track out of here. To no avail. I've only ridden here like twice, maybe 3 times through this part. It's got just so much. You don't have to change gears. Be in 3rd gear and come into a corner slowly and just smash it out of it like nothing. I'll get back to you on that one. Oi! We follow that back to the start and then come through?
Yeah, then we'll know what it is and which way.
Yeah, right. People say, is it hard to, like, you know, 500s are not single track bikes? Absolutely bullshit. This thing doesn't even feel heavy. Like, it's stupid how good it is. I can't say the same for the Katos. I don't know. I've only ridden a KTM 500 once, but I know. Courses really. Whatever your choice is. But I thought I'd be on the clutch a lot more. I'm in 3rd gear, I think I am right now. And she just lugs through. Not the biggest fan of all these little fucking trees though. Anyway, so I'll give you guys a look at the bike in a minute. I'll pull up somewhere and do a bit of B-roll. Never tried B-roll. Sound like a fucking videographer. But I'm just a poly welder. yeah, utterly in such tractable, usable power. I'm on the strong map too, not on the, it has two maps, this bike, hard and a soft map, I guess, and I'm on the hard map, and I'm not noticing any, you know, where it wants to get away from me, like a bit too much bike. I mean, this sort of flowy stuff be alright. Places like Blackbutt where you're riding super tight tingles and stuff like that, that's probably a different story. That's where the two-stroke comes in, I guess. Oh, what? She'd be a hill climb monster, this thing, I'll tell ya. I'm not 100% sold on the white though. 2019 and 2020 had white in the factory edition, and I'm kind of a bit more inclined to the blue, or even the 24 grey, which you can fit on these bikes. A little bit of modding on the front guard, but the 24 graphics kit does fit. So who knows, the two bikes might end up looking like 24s yet. Track's a bit tight, a bit very different characteristics to the 300 4-stroke. You got to ride that bike a bit more. Likes to rev, but it will lug up stuff. But oh, there you go, first flame out tour. That got me. Yeah, buddy! This is quite manageable in that kind of shit.